Hi guys, and welcome to Unit 3. This is our unit on ratios and proportions, direct variation, percentages. We're going to be learning about scale factor and similar figures. So we have lots to cover, so let's get started. Okay, I am in your lesson overview page of your learning path, and as always, I will have the teaching sessions that are available this week linked here. What's new this week is a calculator guide, because great news, you can start using your TI-30XS calculator. And this is a guide that will give you some really helpful hints on everything that you will need to know about this calculator. Alright, so learning targets for this week are that we are going to focus on ratios and rates. And then you will notice that here is your checklist. So I have made a special note that your lesson 3 is going to take the longest. So as you're planning your time, just know that lessons 1 and 2 are pretty short. Lesson 3 is going to take you the bulk of time this week, so plan accordingly there. Okay, so let's go ahead. Well, actually, one more thing. I've given you a kindness challenge this week. Thanksgiving is around the corner, so go ahead and fill out that poll and commit to doing something kind for someone close to you. Okay? All right, let's look at Lesson 1. Lesson 1 is our teaching material to get us started, and you're going to see 3 videos here. Take good notes and watch those 3 videos. Lesson 2 is a checkpoint. It's pretty quick and simple, but you need to watch the videos. You can use your notes, you can use a calculator, but it is just a review of what you know about ratios coming into this unit. Okay? Next we have our lesson 3, and again this is kind of the bulk of your content for the week. So there's some material for you to read, and then it instructs you to go over to Pearson Online and complete the playlist titled Ratios and Rates. Okay, so a playlist is basically a list of tasks within Pearson. So it just is one assignment, but once you open that assignment, there's a bell. It will give you multiple things that you have to complete and turn in, and I will go over that in just a minute in this video. Lesson 4 is an Edulastic practice. So this instructs you to go to Google Classroom and complete the Edulastic Unit 3 Week 1 Rates and Ratios assignment. And then finally, you will have your assessment number 5. So directions will be included here, but you're going to complete your assessment number 5. All right? So those are your lessons. With that, I'm going to pause for a minute and pull up Pearson so that we can take a look at what your playlist will look like in lesson 3. Okay guys, I'm going to now show you your lesson 3 playlist and what that will look like. So as you know, you're going to Pearson Online, you're going to select classes, and then you should see something that says Ratios and Rates Playlist. I'm looking at this as a teacher, so yours is going to look a little bit different. But I am going to go to preview mode and show you what yours will look like. So you're going to notice that you have 7 tasks within this. Don't panic. All of them are not going to take you that long. You'll see that it's a combination of some examples that will just be worked out for you. It's important to pay attention to those. This link is a video. This is your Math Excel, where you can solve practice problems. Here's another video, another Math Excel, and then finally it ends in a lesson quiz. Okay, so like I mentioned, this one's going to take you a little bit longer, so plan accordingly. Since we haven't used a playlist, I'm going to show you a little bit about what this will look like. When you click on your first activity, you'll notice that now you have at the top of your page, slide this over, you have your first step, your second, your third, your fourth, your fifth, and then it will keep going. 6th, 7th, there'll be a little arrow for you to, let's see, there we go. So, and here's your 7th step. Okay, so you can kind of move along this top menu. Okay, so it is going to also help you to keep tabs on what you've done and what you haven't. So as you move along each step, it will either tell you in progress or completed. There will be a little button on each of the steps over here in this corner. It doesn't show up for me, again, because I'm in teacher mode, not student mode. But it will be a little check mark that will allow you to turn each of them in so that it will turn from in progress to completed as you move throughout the playlist. Okay, that should be it. If you have questions, let me know this week. Good luck and make it a great week. Bye.